London rooms can be compact, and that's totally fine when it's done well. Here's the honest walk-in. The goal is simple: a comfortable sleep, a quiet reset, and you're ready for the city again. Aircon, free Wi-Fi, TV, tea/coffee. Those little things matter after 20,000 steps. And a clean private bathroom, non-negotiable. If you're a couple, friends sharing, or you're in London for gigs and museums, this is the kind of base that keeps the trip easy. Earl's Court is the sweet spot, connected but calmer than the busiest hubs. If this is your style of London stay, check dates on our official site and compare booking direct.